Welcome to our exciting journey through the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. Let's learn all about them. January. 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 February. 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 March. March. April. April. May. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. October. November. November. December. December. Let's learn again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.